Aren't you tired of me now?
I could be the twist, the one to make you stop.
Okay. Step 1. Previously high, previously low. Bullish or bearish? We are bullish. We tapped a 4-hour fair value gap. We respected it, so I'm expecting to push towards buy side. Which is this? For me. Also London high above here. So we still have this 4-hour fair value gap in place. Price already swept this low, so I'm just looking for inversions. Maybe if we take out this low inversion, target this high. Let's just see what market does. Okay, yeah, that's what I was expecting. Let's hope we can get a fair value gap and then a retracing towards that fair value gap. We have a 15-minute one. No, we don't. Now we should. Let's see if we take out. Okay, we take out buy side. This would have been a trade for me already, but I clicked too fast. Look, we had this fair value gap. I'm trying to do the 4 hour, 4 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, no, 1 minute we have an inversion right here, which I would place my long on the candle, stops below the body of the candle before the value was inversed, and I would target a 1 to 1. And I would have gone break even when we tapped this. Let's just go to the next day, because we were right. Bearish right now. Respecting bullish or bearish BDRs. Kinda going bearish here. You can see this is our liquidity. We do have some stacked session highs. So right now I'm still bullish, but I am gonna look for a sweep first. I'm not gonna trade a continuation because we can go here and we can go here, so there's nothing valid for me. So if we take it out, let's see if we can get a reaction off of this family. Yep, if we get a retrace into it. That's why I would want to target that high. Because we also see liquidity here. Tapped into it. Let's see if we manage to get a push out of it. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, we have this little one. See what price does after sweeping it. We have it 3 minutes. No, we don't. So we're still expecting the 2-minute one to close to inverse and then look for a long. 3 minutes. Oh. Okay, we do have a 3-minute one. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see if we manage to inverse it. If we do, would be nice. Do I count it? Is that a valid inverse? Let's take it. Let's target the drawn liquidity here. Just see how the market moves on the 1 minute. Yeah, it wasn't a strong or a valid close. Ah, okay. Yeah, well, it happens. That's why we backtest. Okay, let's see if we can get a reversal from this. You see a 5-minute one here. No, 4 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if we manage to inverse it. Or if we can target the Asia. Oh no, it was the Asia. London. Maybe we can target Asia, but I'm thinking we should go for the previous day low, as we did tap into it, but we're not seeing any fair value gaps. So just see how market moves. Give me a valid retrace. Valid. Yeah, okay. We could have taken that because, yeah, okay, this would have been a valid trade. No, it would not. No, yeah, it would. It would be shit RR though. Let's see if I manage to get a 1 to 1 while going break even after this. Okay. So we are kind of screwing up as we're skipping too far ahead from the time frames. Okay, for everyone that's watching, I see 3 viewers. Welcome. Just a chill session. I'm done with maths. Getting a headache. We swept previous day low already, so I'm expecting to see our drawn liquidity towards the upside, as pre-market could give us a nice valid entry. Do we have a fair value gap on the 15-minute? That's the question. Yes, we do, which is this one. So on the 5-minute, we have a closer one Okay, so we tapped into that 15 one. Ah, this is not a nice setup for me. Let's see if we can get an inverse on the lower time frame as we are still in this 5-minute one. Let's look on the 15. No, we don't. Okay, 5-minute it is. Let's look 2-minute, 3-minute. Let's take the 2-minute. Okay. Still haven't inversed it on the 5-minute. Okay, we inversed it on the 5-minute. I would not want to take the straight. I want to see an inverse of this one again for us to then take a long again for it. We don't have any fair value gaps in this leg, so this is a 1-to-1. Let's make it a 1-to-1. Let's see how price plays out. If we have a correct draw on liquidity. Okay, we did have a nice draw as we have our session, and we still have this untapped one. This, yeah, we do have a bunch of. I'm expecting bullish on the next upcoming days. Are we bullish or are we bearish? We can see that we respected a fair value gap here. We are tapping out of this fair value gap. I'm expecting bearish. Sell side to be targeted. Okay, so this previous day high is relative to this one here. So this is, I'm expecting more to draw on the bearish side. Yeah, it's also on and low. I'm expecting to sweep bearish. I'm not seeing a fair value gap. Here we are. Okay, did we inverse this? We didn't. I don't like the rejection from that. Let's go break even at 50% of this range. I don't wanna. Yeah, that's a break even. Okay, we're bullish. Clearly bullish. Yeah. This is our draw, so we're targeting. This trend line liquidity could be targeted as well. Let's see what price does after market open. Okay, we came to sweep these lows, and we are gonna touch into this hourly fair value gap. I want to see this draw being taken. Guys, I don't like that. Okay, I like it. Sorry, chat. We could still see that bullish fair value gap not hold, as it's a big inefficiency in the market. And what we know is that 50% of the inefficiencies like to get filled, right? So let's see what price does. Yeah, okay, this is an A+ setup. We're gonna check if we can scale into this position. If we tap this fair value gap. Okay. do have this gap we can target. There's a draw liquidity, reduces our target. We also have this high, and this is for certain our targets. Previous day high, previous day low. Let's see if we can get a continuation. How long am I live? 15 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if we create any fair value gaps during market open. Bearish, 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 bearish. Okay. This is what I'm expecting. Draw liquidity right now. Target is 15-minute unfilled one. That was what I was waiting for. Let's hope we can inverse either of these gaps. Please do not. Fuck, okay. It's not good. It's not good. Okay, we inverse this one. An explosive market open. Okay. Expecting market to move more bullish right now as we tapped that 15 low. We still have 1 hour to hold, so this should be fine, as well as previous structure from previous day. So if you manage to inverse on this candle, did we inverse here? No, we did not. Here we did, but I'm still expecting bullish price action. So let's see what we do in 1 minute. Ah, fuck! I didn't know that was a 5-minute candle close. Oh well. I would not take this trade on my live account. We have a 50. Oh, okay, going break even right there. That's good. Okay, break even. It's so good when you understand the market. I'm gonna be rich. Has to. Up 2K on 2 days. What people don't understand, it's almost 2026, and people are still working for a 9 to 5. That is my worst nightmare. I don't know how people survived it for fucking way too long. Makes me a little bit emotional to think about. What is our draw here? Yeah. Okay. Give me an entry of this fair value gap to go bearish. Fuck. I'm sending the wrong shit. Who is watching me, by the way? Maths is not gonna define me, chat. We have this 1 minute. We don't have a 2 minute, so I'm looking for that 1 minute to get it inversed. Okay, yeah. break even is this, and I'm expecting price to go to this. I'm gonna risk 0.5 as I'm not sure about this position. As our draw is still, yeah, right. Shouldn't have been bearish. As we are clear. That's dumb for me, man. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's hope we don't take out this high. Okay, we did. Okay, we do have 15. Okay, that could have been a trade for me. Why? Still bullish on the day. Fair value gap. Let's look on a 5 minute. We are seeing a fair value gap. Which we didn't inverse here. We did here. So I could still enter into my position. Still gonna stick to 0.5 as we are. What are we targeting? We have a 15-minute unfilled one. Okay, that's my break-even point. Okay. Not a good day for me. We were smart about risking that. So that's totally fine. Okay, we swept this high, so I'm expecting bearish price action. We're not coming out of a 4 hour. We're not coming out of a 1 hour, but we did sweep this major low. Yeah, I'm looking for sells. No, I'm not looking for sells. Yeah, I'm totally not. No, I didn't. Oh, fuck, bro. I wanted to change time frames. I'll explain you why. We have a fair value gap. We are delivering from sell side. We tapped into it. We had an inversion. Okay, so this would have been my position. Let's see. Oh wait, I'm entering too early. What am I doing? I'm not in state. Let's see what happens. I'm not in state. Let's see what price. Thus, from this point forward. Okay, give me that 15 inversion, 5 inversion. Okay, I'm gonna go break even after this point. Oh, at least get me to that break even. Jesus fucking Christ, that was edging me. Good trade, good trade. I risked 0.5. That was a nice setup for me. Okay, previous day high. What is this here? So previous day has been swept. We are creating clear market structure. Where are we delivering from? Nothing yet. We did respect this bullish fair value gap. Oh shit. Bro, that was a jump scare. Lord Diddy, thank you for the sub, man. Thank you very much. You give me a heart attack, but that's fine. Let's see. This is gonna be our draw. Okay, session sweep. We did sweep loads of previous sessions. This is gonna be a... Oof, no wonder. Okay, we just swept our sell side. Let's go for that inversion. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. They do have some untouched lows, which could be our draw as it's stacked lows. We are inside an hourly fair value gap. Let's say if we manage to inverse this hourly, I think we could seek for some of these sell sides, but then we should be closing the hour, so that's what I'm gonna wait for. Yeah, okay, that's what happens when you don't take the fucking entry. Tap into it. Yeah, okay. Oh, this would have been fucking beautiful. Wow. Look, man. This is our draw. Let's just go to the next day. It was not a good setup for me. We're not taking ES into action here as well. Which if we would, it should be a higher percent win rate because, yeah, it's just normal. Okay, so we broke structure. I'm thinking we should sweep the sell side. Okay, yeah, so we have all of these relative equal highs. Which would be the target. So I was thinking a sweep of the low, but we do have an hourly here. So Jesus fuck me. What a good song to put with this. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Let's see what we do. I hope. No, that's not a day of the week. Yeah, okay. That's our delivery. Enter it. Let's see if we can get an inverse. Okay. Yeah, I'm going on a 0.5 for this one. Okay, this is my break-even point. Those wicks scare me. Okay. Just imagine you make this amount of money every single day. It's crazy. That people actually do it. Okay. This is our draw. We are delivering from a fair value gap, which is one of my favorite setups to see. We did have liquidity here as well. So I am thinking about entering a swing setup here on the hourly. As we have this hourly fair value gap, but we could use that as a target for us on a lower time frame trade. No, we don't. We absolutely don't, because we have this fair value gap to inverse, and this inverse already happened here. So this is a trade I could have taken. Enter here. My stops would be below this low. So my entry would have been this. Stops would have been below this low. Let's see if it would have played out. Okay, that's a TP. Let's look if we inverse it on the 1 hour. Okay, seems like Price is not wanting to take that inversion. Where is it? Wait, is that that's not an hourly close, right? Yeah, no. This is next session for me. We were right on both sides. Look, we are delivering to buy side. Okay, we have our previous day high. Let's see if we have a daily. No. Yeah, we don't see a 4-hour which we could deliver from. Take an entry. Let's look on a 1 hour. Yeah, okay. So it would be a sell setup for me to just catch a slight retracement in the market. If you manage to push above this high, tap into the fair value gap, then look for a retrace. We are delivering from a bullish 1 hour. We inversed in pre-market this one here. So a valid setup for me would have been like this, and my draw is this. So let's see what happens during the market open. Okay, that's why we trade market open and not pre-market. Market open can fuck up most positions. Okay, this is a stupid little trade. Why do I skip those fair value gaps? I hope to see a retracement towards this fair value gap. Please. Please, 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 please. Okay. We have a 2-minute fair value gap. 3 minutes. Yeah, okay. So I would like to inverse this one. Not with such a fucking Drake dildo. Jesus fuck me. Yeah, my draw is there. It's that rule 1, we're delivering from a bullish PD array. Rule 2, we swept liquidity from that PD array or above that PD array. Step 3, inversion fair value gap on lower time frame coming from a bullish 5-minute. So this is my break-even point, as I'm not risking so much. Okay, that's vile. Oh my god. We are doing so good. So fucking good. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna be a millionaire from this. Because Forex and futures is a whole different thing. But if I'm looking at futures like this, holy fuck. New week opening gap. Is this a Monday? It's Friday. It's Friday. How the fuck did that gap happen on Friday? For value gap. Let's see if we are delivering from it. We do not see any liquidity here. We do sweat London. Let's see if we can get a 15-minute inversion. Jesus fuck me. Okay, I'm gonna risk 0.5 as this is not one of my favorite trades. But we are targeting more than our 1-to-1. Why is this not my favorite trade? Still have this 5-minute one, but why did I take it? It's just because of the. Please load. It's just because we are coming from a 4-hour fair value gap, and we are respecting bullish P theory. So, okay, yeah, it's the 15-minute one that got cooked, which is fine. Should have gone break even at a certain point. Sometimes I forget it that we can still go break even. Okay, so we have this untapped hourly. We are still delivering from my 4 hours not loading. Let's see if we manage to inverse this hourly. If not, we'll target previous day low. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's a good reaction. Our draw is still Asia and London. Let's see if we manage to retrace beforehand. We do. Let's see if we retrace in towards this Fairvalley gap. Let's look on 15. Okay, yeah, let's see what we get from this Fairvalley gap. We're not seeing. Okay. Okay, this I'm gonna risk 2% on this trade as it's falling every single second in my favor. So if we inverse a certain point. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be a fucking good trade. I know it already. Please. Okay, that's an inversion. Chat, take this with me.
Oh, I don't like the stop loss.
I don't like the stop loss. I don't like the stop loss. Oh, I certainly don't like that stop loss. They don't have a certain other draw. Okay, no, we do. For sure we do. Yeah, okay. So this is my position. We're coming from this 4-minute one. Living from this 4-minute Fairvalley gap. Wait. What the fuck? Wait, what is this? Chat. Yeah, this is. Trade scares me more and more, but it's gonna be what it is, what it is. Okay. Let's see what happened here. Okay, I see it already. Inverse this 5-minute one. We had a retracement towards a 2-minute one, which held. Let's see if we get a nice retracement in towards. Let's just say we're still bullish though. I want to take out this low. I don't think we're gonna get that. Or are we? No, we're not. This is a little trade for me. My break-even point is once we close beyond this.
Nice.
Let's look at the daily. Yeah, the 4 hours. 4 hour just stopped working for me. We are clearly bullish, and this is certainly our draw. Let's look, are we delivering from something? Now we should actually see an SMT with ES, because ES should have swept this low, and that's why we're getting that explosive reaction at market open. Yeah, see. Bro, this hourly has the strength to hold price. Look at this. This is crazy. Holy shit. Wait, my hourly is on Monday, while my 5-minute is on Tuesday. Something doesn't make sense. Okay, but we did take this low, so I'm bullish. For certain, if we manage to invert this gap on the 15, that's what we don't do, for sure. Now I want to take ES, but wait, do I have ES, right? Oh, I do. Fuck, I should have. It's fine. Yeah, the 4 hours stuck on NQ, which is sad. I want to take the 4 hour. Okay, let's look for price slowing down. We did. Is there a reason? There certainly is, as we took out this low on NQ and we did on ES. That 4 hour should be. We are about to close. Okay, and my target is this 1 hour for value gap on ES. Do we have it as well on NQ? Yes, but it did hold, so my target on NQ would be this. Let's look on a. What the fuck, man? Yeah, I would actually take this on ES and not on NQ. Let's go break even from this point. Risk 1%. Okay, why is this not my favorite trade? NQ, we are still inside of these fair value gaps. 15-minute one on as well, but on ES we swept it. Wait, what is this price action on ES? Do we have? So this is Tuesday. This is Tuesday. Okay, yeah, so it's the same. So we do have an SMT. So I am thinking this should be a W trade. So this low is lower than this low, and this low is higher than this low. So that's an SMT. Okay, so that's my break-even point. Okay, that's the first trade we hit break-even, which would have been a loss, which is good. That's what risk management is about. Right. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything, man. Why did the 4 hour stop working? Let's look on the 3 hour. Okay, on the 3 hour we are inside of a big fair value gap. So my preference is shorting. We are delivering from this bullish 4 hour. We have an SMT. We have a bullish SMT. So I'm looking for buys, of course. Yeah, okay. Looking for buys. We are delivering from this hourly as well, so my preference is highly buys. Let's look if we can target previous day highs. Let's look after market open what we do. Okay, so we tap inside of this 15-minute. And we have a bullish reaction out of it, which would have been a. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the market to develop more. Let's see what liquidity we decide to take. And if so, holy price action. Okay, yeah, that was right. We were targeting previous AI. Okay, this is gonna be a very good setup for me. Please give me an inversion on the 1 minute. It will make my whole day. My day just started, so. Do have the stacked 15-minute ones. This is gonna be 1 minute. Let's look at the 2 minutes. We do have a fair value on the 2 minutes. Let's look at the 3 minutes. Okay, we do as well on the 3 minutes. We are still bullish, right? That's the main thing. We have this hourly, which I hope we can get a retrace into. Okay, let's see. It's gonna be more. My break-even point is when ES hits this high. My God. Market could not be against me more than what is happening right now. Wait, I can maybe look for something which would up my win rate. Let's see, we are delivering from bullish fair value gaps. Okay. We have a bullish SMT here. So 4 minutes, now 3 minutes, now 2 minutes. Yes. And it was an inversion, so it's a valid setup for me. It's my draw. This should up my win rate if I wait for the CISD. So if we have a... This should just run to my TP. Should. Holy shit. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Thinking the issue is that I am looking for something I should not look for. That's clear. I know if it is. Okay, do I go break even here? Let's look at ES. Do not see any major fair value gaps holding price back. I'm gonna go break even once ES taps this, and Q is already in a fair value gap. Let's say trail or stop loss. I think my issue is that I'm still looking for wrong draws on liquidity, which is it's an issue which is fixable, right? Price is holding up really well, but needs to have a retracement, right? Because our draw will all of these relative equal highs be. This is the draw. And if we're coming from this fair value gap, yeah, let's just see what price is on open. Yeah, okay. So we have that 1 hour, and we have a lot of 1 hours in this leg. So we do have this one here. It might hold price. Let's see if we create a 15-minute one. 5 minutes. We inverse this gap as well as our target are these relative equal highs. Let's see what ES does. ES did the exact same thing. We are coming from this 5 minutes. Let's look at 15. Okay, so our trade should just run normally. So price holds any certain inverse. Okay. Let's look here. Fuck, I should have gone break even once ES took this high. My surroundings, or not surroundings, my awareness needs to be up with quite a bit, because I forget that those pairs are correlated pairs, and that they use each other to basically know what the market will do, right? And if ES has a certain draw and it taps it before NQ, we have quite relative equal lows created in Asia. Plus we have trendline liquidity here. Are we seeking bearish? Are we seeking bearish? Are we delivering from something? No. But what we do see is that price. Okay, let's see what this fair value gives brings us. Let's look on ES. Did we take those highs on ES already? Fuck. We did. Ooh. I'm expecting bearish. Okay. That's good to know. Our target could be this hourly on ES. So let's see if we can get a fair value. Jesus fuck me. Why is that necessary? We are delivering. Quite nicely. Yeah, this would have been a nice continuation. ES is gonna take this low. Jesus. Okay, so look, this fair value gap, I don't like it, man. I'm gonna go break even once we tap this here. it should hold. Should hold. If I win, okay, every trade from now on, if I lose, I'm gonna quit. It's 1 a.m. If not, I'm gonna keep trading. So if I lose this, I'm done for today. Okay, yeah, it's my FOMO is way too big as well, which is not smart. Let's look at our analytics. So our win rate is still 50%. We won 9 and we lost 9. Yeah, 50% win rate on yeah, that's not good. That's not good. I'm gonna have to backtest more to make a definite strategy for myself on ENG, and maybe involve some other things like, let's say, changing the state of delivery, higher time frame. Hello, Big Sultan, welcome. Yeah, so tomorrow after my exam, I think I'm gonna focus on that backtest, see if it ups my win rate, and to just look at my draws on liquidity to see what are we targeting, where are we coming from. Yeah, backtesting now too nice, man. I'm gonna go off because it's 1 a.m. and I have my exam tomorrow. From Kyrgyzstan? Damn, bro. I'm from Belgium. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go to bed. Today's FOMC price action was awesome. Yeah, it was. I'm gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow, the hardest exam of them all. I'll stream after it. Right, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks for coming in. Have a good night and good luck on your exams. Thanks, man. Thank you. Right, guys. Good night. See you guys tomorrow.